Alright, so today we're going to go on a little adventure with the GoPro. Also, time figuring out how to use the app and all that. So, we're going to take the pit bike on our new bike trail that just got made. And probably not allowed to do that technically, but I don't know that there's going to be any police sitting there waiting on ATVs. So I think we're going to send it. And then I'm also figuring out how to use the remote. So we're going to be using that, turn it off and on, get a little chest mount footage, zooming down the bike trail, see how far it goes, and then come back, we're going to see where that goes, go on some adventure. Cue that adventure. can barely feel my hands, and I'm really far away from just about anything. So I'm currently deciding, if you can hear me, because I'm underneath a highway, if I should just send it and go to like a gas station or something, maybe grab a drink, just have some fun with it, warm up my hands and whatnot, and then go back. But I'm not really near any gas stations at all. Or if I just zoom home, which would end our adventure. But this is a solo adventure, so it's not like I have any obligation to anybody, you know? So either this is the end of the road or we're going to a gas station. I'm not really sure yet. Regardless, I have to make another social media post to flex my adventure and my stupidity, because this is starting to get brutal. So Thomas Rhett's kind of getting me through this at this point. I guess you'll find out in just a minute what I decided to do. Alright, so you know how I said Thomas Rhett was getting me through this? Well, Thomas Rhett died. I'm going home. I'm zooming home, plugging my phone in, snuggling up in some nice Sherpa, maybe cleaning my room, maybe jump on the trampoline with as many clothes on as possible. I don't know yet, but we're zooming home so that I can charge my phone and I don't like get kidnapped out somewhere or get arrested and not be able to tell anybody, you know. So yeah, this is a high quality experience. Don't necessarily regret the adventure part, but I feel like I should have charged my phone and grabbed gloves. Gloves are probably even higher than charging my phone. And we're gonna see how the way back goes. I'm literally just gonna go as fast as I can, probably the whole time. Yeah.